today's topic, share market for beginners, step by step guide. In this topic we will see how to open trading account, learn specific trading account portal, select nifty 50 stock to buy any nifty stocks, sell nifty stocks, and finally we'll see check the portfolio for particular account portal. First topic, how to open a trading account, that is all three in one: demat account, trading account, and saving account. For that you need to open a Google. Just time open the Google. In that Google type opening trading account. In opening trading account we have multiples brokers we have, that is Abstract we have, Zerodha we have, Angel we have, ICICI Direct we have, HDFC, Grow, so Kotex, like that you have so many trading accounts. So as per my knowledge I have ICICI Bank. Then first we'll see how to open ICICI Bank trading account. Just click ICICI trading account and the login page will open. In that login page we have something called open demat and trading account. Just click on that open demat and trading account, and you have to enter your mobile number and click on, see I will give some my mobile number. I will give random mobile. This is not my mobile number. I give random mobile number. Click OTP. Then you will receive the OTP. After that, receiving the OTP, one form application will be there. That has to be there. File number, your name, father name, mother name, so all the basic information you have to fill up. After that, you have to submit accordingly. And this is asking for 6-month bank statement and any other card, PAN card, any address proof it will ask. You have to upload. Finally it will ask for a photo, then you have to click the photo. After that it will open your demat account. So that's it. Once it is open demat account, I think 24 hours it will need to activate your demat account. Second point, learn a specific trading account portal. See, after opening your trading account, you have to see how to open your trading account portal, how to buy, how to sell, how to check a portfolio, M&M account. See, these are all basic things you have to know before stock to any buy. So personally I have a ICICI trading account and Zerodha trading account and Abstract trading account. First I will show ICICI trading account. This is my ICICI trading account. So just have put a login. I think yes, it's a timed out. So this is a home page of your ICICI Direct trading account. We have portfolio, stocks, mutual fund, F&O, community, currency, IPO, loan, FD bonds, insurance, NPS, research, market, and more. These are also menus in the ICICI trading account. See, just I will go through overview, not in depth. See, coming to a stocks. In a stocks menu, we have watch list, we have portfolio, we have, and place the order we have. Okay. So in that go to, if you want to place the order, so we have to go place the order. I mean to say, I'm telling how to buy a stock. So in that we have delivery options, we have MTF options, sorry, BTST we have, intraday we have, basket order we have, GTT, and stock SIP. Since this topic is mainly focused on beginners, I am telling only equity buy. Okay, so in equity buy, so just click on delivery. In delivery we have two exchange we have. One is NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, and Bombay Stock Exchange. So most of investors are used a national stock exchange. Almost whatever stock is there in NSE, almost all stocks is available in BSE. There is same, but most of the liquidity is there in NSE. That's why most of exchanges are going to NSE. Just I will click NSE. In NSE, so first you have to see how to buy a stocks. So action is buy action. In a buy action, just I'm searching any nifty 50 stocks. Already in the overview I showed, first you have to select nifty 50. Since it's a beginner, I'm telling to advise, sorry, I'm not able to advise since I'm not a sub registered. This is my opinion, is that how I'm taking selecting nifty 50 stocks. For example, in nifty 50 stocks I'm selecting SBI, that is State Bank of India. So then you have to type STAT, State Bank of India. So then we have options State Bank of India. Just to click. This is a equity stocks. I'm telling equity stocks. In a State Bank of India, to buy a one stock, the previous day closing price is 820.40 price. If you want to buy one stocks, then you have to give 820.40 paise. That's all. If you want to buy 100 stocks, then you have to give 82,040 rupees. If in your account is 82,040 rupees is there, you can happily buy this State Bank of India stocks. How? Just click on buy, then proceed. It will go a exchange to a buy. So if you buy today, there is no exchange today since it's a Sunday. So tomorrow morning, if you give order today, tomorrow morning 9:15, 820.04 rupees, 100 stock will buy in your account. So after buying this SBI, where should I check? Is that it? See, I have some examples. Assuming that we have buy State Bank of India 100 stocks around 802.40 rupees. So then how we will see these stocks whether coming in my account or not. So just for that we have to go portfolio. In portfolio stocks is there. See, this is how. See, for example, I have taken Bandhan Bank 350 stocks. In 350 stocks is there available. Like that in your previously we buy SBI. Like this SBI will come to in this portal or in this menu bar. So I have taken that BHEL, all are there. Just I have showing examples. I'm not showing MMT options. Okay. So same thing, how to sell, very easy. So same, you will go for portfolio and the stocks. Just you have sell option, sell. Just sell it. It will come here. Choose NSE option. Previously, if you are selecting NSE when you are buying, just choose NSE. If you are in a buying, if you are BSE, if I choose, you have to choose BSE. Okay, since already we have assuming that we have taken SBI, so take SBI, State Bank of India. So previously we buy 100 stocks. Just I'm going to 100 stocks. Click NSE and price. See, the price is telling 820.40 rupees. Earlier we have buy this point. No, I want to sell 825 rupees. Just click on sell. So it will go for selling option. So here 820.40 minus 825. So your net profit is 4.5. So that means one share you are earning 4.5. That means your 100 shares you are earning 4.5 4.60 paise into 100 rupees. Okay, this is your profit. Okay, then I have one more, just I will log over this. If you open learn specific trading account is completed, we have completed. Select nifty 50 stocks will come to guess. Buy any nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so already we completed this. Sell nifty 50 stocks, this is already completed. Check a portfolio, this is also we have completed. So yet to be completed is that we have one more trading account I have to show. Then I have trading account in zero. I think this also is expired. Yeah, it's okay. See, this is a zero the trading account. So in zero the trading account something different from the ICICI direct account. So here is the watch list we have. Just I have put for the example purpose. Just I have taken Hindalco is there, ITC is there, and Hindustani Unilever is there. Same thing what you buy in ICICI direct, that is SPI. Here also I'm taken example of ITC. See, just you go to overview of ITC stocks, just click on buy. It will go a buy order. See here, just I will repeat once. Just overview any stocks which is you like, just ITC, just click on ITC, and here shares. How many shares you want? Previously taken SPI 100 shares. Here also we'll take 100 shares. Here this is for 468.704 to buy one share. So if you want to buy 100 share, 100 into 40, 486.7 paise. This is required to buy a complete amount. The total amount is required 48,670 rupees. This amount is required to buy ITC for 100. Same thing. Once you buy this ITC, just I will click cancel. Assuming that we have buy 100 ITC cells, where to see? See, we have options dashboard, orders. Once you click buy, this buy order will come to here, this page, and it will go to execute. Once it is executed, it will come to a holding position. See, these are holding positions our earliest. Just I will take M and M. I have taken this for the sample. M and M stocks. Here just you click and just just you click M&M options. Yes, then just go for sell. So we have market order and we have limit order. That is, market order means whatever present market is there, it will come, and the limit order, you have to select a limit order price, which price you want to sell. This is how in Zerodha. I'm not going to in depth. I will see a overview about stocks. Then I have a abstract broker. This is a abstract broker menu, a home page. I think this is expire. No, not expire. Okay, see, this is a overview of your abstract website. Here is their given watch list. Whichever you interested stocks you can put in the watch list. I have option, orders, and holdings positions. Same thing. So go to a overview of any stocks you want to buy. Just I'm taking here also for example of SBI. Just we have buy and sell. So buy, go to buy options, click on buy options. Here is there, I'm telling this is the only beginner class. I'm telling only how to buy a equity. To buy here same price 820.40. So how to buy here? So just click on 100 shares. If you want to buy 100 shares, you can buy 100 shares. If you want to buy 1000 shares, go to 1000 shares. Okay, depends on your requirement and your capability, you can buy. After buying, so where it will come, the order will come, the order menu options, this page. Once it is execute, it will go a holding options. Once it execute SBI, it will come your SBI 100 shares. Then what the price, what the day percentage, overall profit and loss. If you want to sell same day, you can sell same day. Then click on sell and select a price whichever you want, that will sell for SBI. This is how today's topic. If you like, please subscribe, shares and like. Thank you.